WMI Tab. Welcome to this tutorial where we will present the functionalities available on the WMI tab of an endpoint on the Intel EMA web interface. WMI stands for Windows Management Instrumentation. We will show a WMI query and a WMI action, which are two of the in-band Intel EMA functionalities. To really make use of it, you must know how to use the different WMI classes on a Windows PC. Step 1. Starting from the General tab. We will start by navigating to the General tab of an endpoint. Let's first focus on the conditions. The WMI tab is available when the endpoint is up and running. The first bullet point showing the power status should be green. The Intel EMA agent needs to be connected with the Intel EMA server. So, the second bullet point should also be green. If both bullet points are not green, the WMI tab will be grayed out and will not be usable. Step 2. WMI tab. Click on WMI. Let's start with a WMI query. The syntax for the WMI query to show all the running processes is listed by default. Click on the blue box Execute. All the processes will be shown. Let us switch to a WMI action. On the drop-down menu, select WMI action. The default WMI action is to launch Notepad. Click on the blue box Execute. If it is successful, you should see a process ID and a return value of 0. The video on processes will show how you can view if a particular process is running and how you can terminate that process. Congratulations! You've successfully used the functionalities available on the WMI tab of an endpoint on the Intel EMA web interface. You have launched a WMI query and a WMI action. Stay tuned for the videos explaining the information and capabilities of the other tabs of an endpoint on the Intel EMA web interface.